In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily coil your wig. If you want to see how I took this wig from looking like this right here to this which you see here, please keep on watching. Let's get into this video. To start, I already washed the hair off camera. That's the reason why you're seeing the natural curl pattern of this hair right here. So what I'm doing is just clipping away the up part of the hair, and what I'm going to do next is to moisturize this bottom part right here, and I'm going to use my Moroccan Argan Oil Serum. The product didn't really show well in this video, but in my other videos you'd see the Moroccan Argan Oil Serum that I use vividly. I also sprayed my heat protectant spray. Use any argan oil serum you have, use any heat protectant spray you have. And next, I'm using my coiling wand, and the size of the coiling wand I'm using is a 32mm coiling wand. This coiling wand is slightly bigger than the regular coiling wands that I use, and I noticed that with this particular coiling wand I find coiling my hair a lot easier. It's a lot easier, though I noticed that with a smaller coiling wand, which is like a 25mm wand, the coils tend to be tighter and last longer, but this one just makes the coiling process faster. If you're not trying to achieve very small or very long lasting coils, I think you should just try out this particular curl pattern, because if you notice from how I combed out the first curl that I got, the curl still looks really nice despite it being slightly bigger than the regular curl patterns that I would normally do. So after I curled the hair and allowed the hair to take the heat for a few minutes, I pulled it out. That's a coiling wand, and then I pinned the hair up there. So I took out another section of hair, combed through it, and I'm using a coiling wand now to curl the hair. You notice how I'm just feeding the hair through only the left part of the coiling wand that has an open space. Yeah, sometimes what I've sort of realized is you need to find a way to coil your hair that works for you, because the way I coil my hair might not be the same way someone else does it. I know most times people will say, oh, this is how to do it, but I feel that you have to find a way that works best for you. If you like to feed the hair through the other side of through the ends, you can do that. If you like to feed it from the front part, you can do that. But for me, in this particular video, I'm feeding the hair through the left side of the coiling wand, because I found that it was less prone to any form of roughness or unevenness. It just made the coiling process very smooth and stress-free. That's the reason why I just kept on feeding the hair through the left part, and then when I get towards the end of the hair, I just roll up the coiling wand and then let the hair take the heat, and then I clip it on top. I'm going to do the same thing until I get to like the second layer, and then I'm going to show you like the third layer of me coiling this hair, because if I'm to film the entire process, it's just going to be a very long, repetitive video. So I moisturized the hair, of course, and sprayed my heat protectant spray before I proceeded to coiling it. And I just took out a small section of hair, and you see I'm just feeding the hair through the left part, and then when I coil it and get to the up part, I let the hair take the heat for a few minutes, and then I move on to another section of the hair, and I keep on repeating the coiling process. If you are getting value from this video so far, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share with someone else who's also going to get value out of it. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're not yet subscribed. Also share this video with someone who is also going to get value out of it. If you haven't bought our ebooks, hair extensions, and how to test its quality, these ebooks are available. The links are in the description box. On my website, the paperback copy of the How to Start Your Hair Business ebook is also available on Amazon. If you'd like to have a physical copy of the How to Start Your Hair Business book, just check out the links in the description box. So I'm done with coiling most of the hair. What I want to style now is the closure area, and what I'm just going to do is comb through the hair, moisturize it, spray my heat protectant spray, and then start defining the pattern. I'm trying to achieve a C part. I already styled this week previously as a C part, so the old pattern I had created was still there. That's the reason why it was just easy for me to find where it was. And then now I'm going to cut the hair in small sections and start coiling it. So I sort of smooth out that small section of the hair with coiling wand before I start coiling it. And this particular one now wasn't quite tight. That's the reason why I didn't let it stay there for long, but I just coiled it back and then clipped it. So I'm going to keep on coiling the hair until I'm through with this side of the hair, and then I'll move over to the other side where the C part guide is at. So I coil it and then I clip the coils in place, take another section of hair and then coil it, and after coiling it I'm going to clip the hair up there in place as well. If you're getting value from this video, please make sure you like it and share it with somebody who's also going to get value out of it. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not yet subscribed. Yes, it already feels festive. Like, I guys feeling the festivity in the air. Like, I already feel like it's Christmas. So this is the last hair right here. I let the pin stay in the hair for a few hours. You can leave it to stay on the hair for about 3 days, but I just needed to style this week for my client because she said she wants to use it soon. So I just sprayed I'm going to spray a holding spray to allow the coils last long. So what you're watching me do now is how I take out the pins and place the coils to go in a particular direction. The coils on the left side go in the right direction and the coils on the right side go in the left direction. Just see how beautiful this hair looks. Just see how beautiful this hair looks. You know, I actually custom colored this. I made the wig. The hair is from me. I colored it. I made the wig. Like, I just, when I even saw the hair, I was even like, was I the one that the hair looks really nice? It was until later I realized that, wow, it's actually my hair. I was the one that made this wig. Like, I was really impressed in my work. You can imagine doing something and then looking at it like it was something someone else did because you're so impressed with the work that you don't even realize that you are actually the one that did it. I don't know if what I'm saying makes sense, but I was really impressed with my work with this particular hair right here. Yeah, so guys, now I'm done with taking down the pins. What I'm going to do is apply my hair wax to the closure area, spray heat protectant spray, and flatten the hair around the closure area right now. By flattening the hair, what I mean is just to smooth out the top part of the wig to make it look really nice and lay the flyaway hairs that are up there in place. So use heat to lay those flyaway hairs down and then comb the hair to ensure that it looks really nice and very chic. So guys, you can see the wig looks very put together now and I'm really impressed with how it turned out. Yeah, so guys, this is the finished look. I'm going to spray my holding spray right now, which is the butterfly shadow hairspray, which is going to help the coils last long. And that's how we went from this right here to this which is here. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye love.